Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of if you're facing the problem of when you click the volume icon here and it doesn't show you the increase or lower volume option in the volume icon here. So I have also faced this problem and I'm going to show you three simple solutions to fix this problem. So first of all, what you need to do is just go to the taskbar here, right click on it and choose task manager here. Then you need to find file explorer here or Windows Explorer. As you can see, Windows Explorer is here. So what you need to do is just restart your Windows Explorer here, right click on it and you will see option called restart here. So just click to restart your Windows Explorer and then check if your window volume icon is working or not. And next solution is just go to the search bar here. If that doesn't work for you, then go to search bar and search for services and click on the services app there. Then this will open. Now you just have to find here Windows Audio. So if you just scroll down and you will find the option called Windows Audio here. So just right click on it and you just have to click restart. You just have to close out here and check if the volume icon is working or not. And the last solution is very simple. You just need to go to the start menu here and restart your computer, and hopefully this will fix your problem. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.